Did you know your nails can tell secrets about your health? Have you ever stopped to really look at your nails? They're not just a pretty detail on your hands. They might be trying to tell you something very important about your health. Sometimes, when something's wrong inside our body, our nails can change shape or color, and that could be a sign that you need help. It might be something simple, like a minor issue, or even something more serious, like a severe illness that needs quick treatment. If you don't pay attention, these signs could get worse. So, stay alert. Your nails might be smarter than you think and can warn you when something's not right. Let's find out what they might be trying to tell you. Introduction to nails and health. Have you noticed that our nails grow very slowly, about 0.1 millimeters per day? It's a tiny amount, but believe me, nails can tell us a lot about our health. They're like little windows into our body. If something's wrong, our nails can show it in many ways. They also have nerves, which help us feel pain when we get hurt, for example. And the coolest part is that by looking at our nails, we can find out if something isn't working right in our body, like it's a superpower. Dry and brittle nails. Do you know when your nails start to feel really dry, break easily, or seem to crumble? This can happen for several reasons. Sometimes, if you spend a lot of time in water, use a lot of nail polish remover, or even wash dishes without gloves, your nails get dried out. Also, if you live in a very dry place or use cleaning products frequently, they can suffer too. If your nails are always breaking, it could be that your thyroid, a gland in your body, isn't working properly. So, it's a good idea to talk to a doctor and ask for help if this is happening a lot to you. Oh, and to make your nails stronger, you can try applying a nice moisturizing cream to them, just like we do with our skin. Yellow nails. Have you noticed that sometimes your nails get a yellowish color? This can happen for several reasons. One of them is the constant use of nail polish, especially the brightly colored ones. Smoking can also make your nails turn yellow. Additionally, as we get older, our nails may naturally become more yellow. But, in rarer cases, if your nails become very yellow, it could be a sign of a respiratory problem or swelling in the arms and legs, which is called yellow nail syndrome. If this happens, it's really important to talk to a doctor, as they can help understand what's going on and guide you to the right treatment. White spots on nails. Have you ever seen those little white spots on your nails? They're pretty common and usually nothing to worry about. Most of the time, these spots appear because you accidentally hit your finger or made a small injury to your nail. A lot of people think it's a sign of a calcium deficiency, but that's not quite the case. These spots can even appear due to a small trauma. However, if you notice many white spots or if they don't go away, it could be a sign that something is wrong with your liver, so it's worth talking to a doctor to make sure. Horizontal or vertical lines on nails. Have you ever seen horizontal or vertical lines on your nails? Horizontal lines, which go from side to side, can appear if you injure your nail, or sometimes they can be a sign that your body has gone through a lot of stress, such as after undergoing chemotherapy treatment. Vertical lines, which go from top to bottom, are quite common over time as we age. But if these vertical lines come with cracks or if you notice that they are becoming more prominent, it could be a sign of something like alopecia areata, which causes people to lose hair in certain areas of their body. If you notice this, it's worth talking to a doctor to figure out what's going on. Severely bitten nails. Nail biting is a habit many people have, especially when they're nervous or stressed. This can end up damaging the nails and the skin around them. But when the habit of biting nails becomes very constant, it could be a sign of something more serious, like obsessive-compulsive disorder, OCD. This behavior can be a reflection of anxiety or the body's attempt to deal with stress. If you notice that you are biting your nails excessively, it's important to seek help from a mental health professional, who can help treat the problem. Some people also try using a bitter compound on their nails to help stop the habit, but psychological support is the best long-term solution. Dark lines or painful nail growth. Anna was getting ready for a party and, while applying her nail polish, noticed a black line starting to form on her nail. She tried not to worry, thinking it was just dirt, but over time, the line got longer and darker. The pain in her nail also increased. Anna decided to see a doctor, and to her surprise, the The black line wasn't just a common stain. It was a sign of melanoma, a rare type of skin cancer. The doctor explained that while dark spots on the nails are not always serious, they can sometimes be signs of something more serious, just like in Anna's case. The good news is that by seeking help early, she was able to treat the problem in time and is doing fine now. So if you notice something unusual on your nails, like dark spots or pain, don't ignore it. Just like Anna, seeking a doctor early can make all the difference. Ridges or depressions on nails. If you start noticing small ridges or depressions on the surface of your nails, it could be a sign that something is happening with your health. These marks can appear when someone has psoriasis, a skin condition that can also affect the nails. In more severe cases, the nails can even detach from the skin. If your nails are full of ridges or showing unusual changes, it's important to see a dermatologist. The professional will help identify the cause of these changes and guide the best treatment. Had you heard of this before? Let us know in the comments. Spoon-shaped nails, koilonychia. When nails start to become thin and curve inward, giving the appearance of a spoon shape, it may indicate anemia, especially anemia caused by iron deficiency. This type of nail change is known as koilonychia and can be corrected with iron supplementation, but it's essential for a doctor to confirm the diagnosis and recommend the appropriate treatment. Importance of nail hygiene and care. In addition to being alert for any changes in your nails, it's super important to maintain good hygiene. Cutting and cleaning your nails regularly helps prevent infections and other issues. However, if you notice something unusual, like changes in color or shape, it's always a good idea to consult a doctor. Only a professional can accurately determine what's going on and what needs to be done. Nails can be a reflection of our health, so taking care of them is a way of taking care of our whole body. Conclusion. Now that you know what your nails might be trying to tell you, it's time to pay more attention to them. Remember, they are like little signals from your body, and ignoring these signals can lead to bigger problems. If you notice anything strange, like changes in color, texture, or shape, don't wait. See a doctor and take care of your health, because prevention is always the best option. And don't forget, your nails are an important part of your body, and when they speak, it's important to listen. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more tips on how to take care of yourself. See you in the next video.